Christian doesn't believe me, I'm shooting a stock Giulia.
Yeah, it is. Is she down there?
Hmm? Yeah, she's coming up here right now. Dude, she does.
Does it look better than that one?
Huh?
Does it look better than that one?
No, I like that one.
You have 3 shooters for Giulia?
Huh?
3 shooters for Giulia?
I'm here for the next car.
I got the internet buzzing, every song that I drop. You got the fireman coming, bringing that heat with the CD. When they see me, wanna be me, better believe that I be free.
Can you hear me? Okay, we're ready to go.
Okay. You guys see any cars coming?
We're clear.
Ready?
Yeah. Just drive normally, okay?
Yeah.
Ren's making shooting plans with his mom.
In a big league, not pee-wee, and I got cheese like CC's. I'm never gonna flop, looking back down from the top, never caught up.
Ren's, look at me.
Stop.
What? What are we about to do?
I'm looking for the spots. Okay, it says 48 minutes to the spot.
To the big turnout?
Mm-hmm. But that's like offline mode. So realistically, how long with two Miatas mobbing?
Well, I don't know. Is Frank's Miata a grip car or a stance car?
Stance with a little grip.
I don't know.
He can rip it pretty hard through there. It doesn't rub.
If we were to drive up ACH like uninterrupted, I think we can get there in like 28 minutes.
As long as we got like 20 minutes to spare before sundown.
I don't know. It's gonna be close. One more shoot. Woo! That shit from
What's up, man? What's up, dude? How you been? What? Right here. Dude. Workout fucked you up?
Yeah.
Set you up for failure. Fuck.
I'm thirsty, but
Hey, I have water.
you have like
It's normal water, not just still.
drinking water?
Yeah.
Are you gonna drink it?
No?
Alright. Yeah. Because I have drinking water, but I want to drink it.
Yeah, I got it.
Dude, this thing is so dirty from NorCal.
Yes.
So we did a shoot earlier with the Giulia. Now we're heading back up in my Miata and Frank's Miata, and then we're gonna do another shoot there after a little bit of a canyon cruise to get up.
Right there, facing this way?
Yeah.
That was a good tailgate battle.
Yeah, you fucking. You got no rub, man. You dipping.
There's so many rocks. I could hear the constant rocks hitting
Really?
my windshield and everything.
Dude, I was fucking
I definitely got chips.
I was saying like left and right turns, and like I was like, all right, this is safe speed, and all of a sudden all I hear is just. I was like, up. My hands are jittery right now.
Oh! My hands are so shaky. Okay, we made it to the top, but it's really windy up here. Kind of drizzling. Shooting both Miatas together now. Whew. And this, it's pretty late in the day, like the sun is already almost all the way down. Sorry if the footage is probably really shaky, my hands are literally like trembling. Frosty?
The lights.
Wait, don't do anything yet.
I was wondering, I was like, why are you wearing gloves?
Yeah.
You're the only one here with fucking warm hands.
Nope, they're still freezing.
I have rubber fucking like latex gloves. I should put those on at least.
I don't know.
Let's see what happens. Wait, I want to get it on my video too. Okay, we're gonna do it twice.
Oh god, I have no power in this car.
Do something cool.
Huh?
Do something cool.
What?
Do something cool.
He's going.
That's fucking sick. Looks fine. No?
I just hear it like rev aggressively.
It's a crazy looking sky. A vlog in production right now. Hyperlapse. Yo, what's going on, guys? I just want to let you all know that I did actually order the wheels for my 240 for the Rocket Bunny kit. I ordered them about 3 weeks ago from the time that I'm filming this right now. It is about another month or so out until I actually get the wheels though. They were out of stock in the color that I got. They are going to be gold. That's kind of like a different gold. It's not like the STI gold wheels. They're like, kind of like a mixture, or like halfway in between gold and bronze. So I think they'll look pretty good. I've always loved black wheels, but unfortunately for pictures and media stuff, they don't really come out. You lose a lot of detail just in the darkness of the wheel. So that was the main reason why I didn't go black. So yeah, we did go gold. They're 18, so they will be bigger. They will lift the car off the ground a little bit. It will give me a little more ground clearance since I am static. However, it will also fill in the fenders, so they are 18 by 9.5. So I'll be running a 255 by 40 by 18. The wheels themselves are a +10 offset for all four. So that'll fit perfect in the front, no spacer, and then in the rear I will be running a smaller spacer, I don't know, 10, 15, or 20 mil, I'm not exactly sure yet until I get them. I do have to get tires as well, probably just going to go with Federal RS RRs, because a lot of my friends speak highly of them for street use, so yeah, that'll probably be what I will be getting for the 240. Anyways, I just want to let you guys know that that is why my fitment is still trash. I know that. I've been waiting for the wheels for a couple weeks now, but it is about a month out until I actually do get another set of wheels to put on the car. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I will see you guys on my next post. Yeah, peace out.